Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. It's your girl Dora Kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your day. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to use your leftover stew to get this delicious jollof rice that you are seeing here with beans. You can cook your own with only rice. If you like, you can join it with beans. It's very proteinous, it's very rich and nutritious as well. Stay tuned, let's get started on this recipe on how to use your leftover stew to get this perfect Nigerian party jollof rice, guys. Let's go. So let's get started with this recipe. We go in with our vegetable oil. Now, then add in our onions, guys. You have to saute your onions for like 2 minutes. So here comes our leftover stew, guys, that we'll be using for this recipe. If you have any leftover stew, guys, you can use it to prepare this delicious and nice jollof rice, guys. Adding the yellow. You have to fry it for just a little minute because the stew is already fried before. I hope you guys are seeing it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. No, that is it. That's slippers. You know? Go and drop it. You know that? So now we go in with our seasoned cube, guys. Our salt to taste. Anything you're adding, you just have to add little by little because in your stew you already have all those seasoning. A little grounded pepper. Yeah, drop it there. Yes. So here comes in our washed rice, guys. Mix everything together. I'm using beans for this recipe. You go in with your beans. I already cooked my beans, half done. So you make sure to mix everything, combine everything together. Then after that, you go in with your water. Then you cover your pot and allow it to cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then we come back and check our rice. If you are watching my video to this extent, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Dora Kitchen, share this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You will be the first person to get notification. Stay tuned and be blessed. So guys, our rice has been boiling for some minutes. Let's check it and see if the rice is ready for eating. Guys, if you have any leftover stew, don't throw it away. If you don't know what to do with it, you can use it and cook jollof rice. You can even use it to cook a jollof pasta and many more, guys. It's not the more that you will cook white rice to use for the stew. If you are tired of the white rice, you turn that your leftover stew into something delicious, something demure. So let's check our rice. You can see it, guys. I hope you can see it very well. This my camera is not even doing justice at all. You can see what we have here. It come out so great, and it tastes so delicious and so demure. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share to your friends and family, invite everybody so that they will learn this recipe on how to cook your jollof rice with leftover stew. Thank you so much once again. Bye.